Move to another speaker, that is Dr. Chandrasekhar. He is the Senior Assistant Professor of University of Jammu. Over to you, sir.
Topic is crime scene and investigation. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I am working with the clinical psychology and the forensic psychology in the University of Jammu. So, you know about the crime scene. Investigation is far over process searching and documenting notes, like photos, sketches, and it's definitely over the grouping and protective proof. Once done right, crime scene investigation may be a slow, methodological, or maybe systematic or already method that involves photo calls and the process methodology. It is so much too vital within the overall investigatory methods for investigators to require shortcuts as the scene operating. I think all of you SSR case, so Sant Singh Rajput case, it's a highlight case, and you know about that format trouble tasks. Actually, we have, without forensic psychology, we can't claim anything. So, we have uh, some, like, you know, about the crime scene and investigation. We have two techniques of crime scene investigation. First is crime scene survey, and second is investigation process. So, first of all, you know about the crime scene surveys. What is the crime scene survey? When the crime scene investigator has found out the crime scene and scene security has been evaluated by the preliminary scene survey or walkthrough out to do done. The crime scene investigator and therefore the first respondent can sometimes perform the scene survey alone. The lead investigator or detective, uh, you got at my point, if on the market, may also enjoy collaborating. The use of instant photography or preliminary documentation may be useful. The survey is that the first examination of orientation by the crime scene investigator, and therefore the following pointers, like use the walkthrough to mentally prepare a reconstruction theory that may and may be modified because the scene of investigation process. Note any transit or temporary or maybe results of action, like a proof that needs immediate protection or process. Remember of atmosphere conditions and take precautions if anticipated. And second is the investigation process. The initial response to a happening ought to be efficient and organized. When arrival, the officer ought assess the scene, treat the incident as a criminal offense. Seen the initial responding officer ought to approach, enter crime scene, remaining observant of any persons, vehicles, events, potential proof, and environmental conditions. The officers ought to do the following, like this. These are papers.
I think
Maybe
I
in
think
the
my turn will come around 4:35. Okay.
okay. So, so you know about uh, officers ought to do the following: note or log dispatch. Just an example: address, location, time and date, kind of decision, and parties involved. Like you know about the rare parties in maybe in film cities. Note any persons or vehicles departs the crime scene. Third is the approach to the scene, constantly scan the whole space completely. Actually, we have three dimensions for investigation process. First is floor, second is wall, and third is the roof. We have 3D investigations process in forensic psychology. So that is very important for the detective or forensic psychologist. Good initial observations, look, listen, smell to assess the scene, guarantee officer safely before continuing. You know about the smell. Smell may be brown sugar, smell may be onion, smell may be any type of food, and smell may be dead body after 1 month. So stay alert and attentive. Assume that the crime occurred still till determined to the otherwise. Treat the situation as a criminal offense. So next is, actually we have principles of crime scene investigation. So without any principles, we have no investigations actually. The key principle underlying crime the investigations, that is the Locard's exchange principle. It's said that whenever somebody enters or exits, somebody enters and exit on spot or maybe on surrounding, one thing physical is extra to add off from the scene. This principle is usually summoned by up the stating every contact levels are traced. Maybe the logic behind this principle permits investigations to link suspect to victims and physical objects and to scenes. Any proof that may link an individual to the scene is brought up as associative evidence. So you know about the court. Court want to only the evidence, like this might embody things like fingerprints, blood, and bodily fluids, weapons, hairs, fibers. Therefore, the like this kind of proof answers the questions who did this, whereas associative evidence links folks to the place of the crime. Constructive proof permits investigation to the achieve and associate understanding of a action that transpire at the scene. A broken window, a blood spatter pattern, bullet waves, and shoe prints will all travel or maybe reveal that truly happened. This kind of proof answer the question, how did it happen? To assist to establish the linkage of individual and the thing to the scene, the investigator can collect verbal substance known as management samples. So that is the Locard exchange principle. And next is about the investigative interviewing. So interviewing vulnerable, we have vulnerable interviewing. Second is witness. Third is permitting a recording, screening the witness, interviewing. So first is interviewing vulnerable. A great deal of analysis covering investigatory interviewing emphasizes the importance of substance from witness, like a major issue that determines whether or not against the law is solved. It is the completeness and the accuracy of the witness account. So that is very, very important about the crime scene. And next is the interviewing suspect, maybe. So about the suspect. Who is the suspect? The interview with the suspects is beyond questions the foremost difficult from an inquiring interview. About the since last 2 months, we have various types of interview regarding SSR case or Sushant Singh Rajput case. Many types of interview, maybe a lawyer's interview, maybe a suspected person's interview. So about from the terrible get to on the interview, investigators should inform interviewee and their right to stay silent and their right to instantly consult legal counsel who likely can advise them to stay silent when in these circumstances it's need nice talent. So about the this is the very, very typical in Indian scenario. And actually about the facet methodology. What is the facet meta theory? Facet meta theory arose from the Louis Gutman's. He was a very famous conviction and elaboration that was engaged in behavioral research, which usually deals with the complicated issues. One should initially convince outline the substantive terms what after all the being studied. So about the US War Department data, education division, the function of the analyst branch, All the information concerning soldiers, attitude, topic, troops, that is related to the present meta theory actually. And behavioral results. So what is the behavioral results? That is very a broad topic for any psychologist, or maybe like about the TAT, or maybe Rorschach-Blot test that is related, and the conditioning, or maybe we have I think 6 or 7 schools related to the behavioral research. And the neurobiological forensic. What is the biological forensic testing and investigations, forensic methods in the detection of crime? That is very important about the profiling actually. That is the backbone of a forensic psychologist. The DNA profiling first is. So DNA profiling, one of the most recent growth and the reliable modern scientific techniques of investigation in theoretical science is DNA identification of a criminal. DNA is an abbreviation of term deoxyribose nucleic acid, so which is an organic substance found in each living cells, which provides a personal genetic blueprint actually. And second is very important about the maybe psychologist, clinical psychologist, and the related the psychiatrist, narco analysis test. The narco analysis test is one in every of the scientific tests used to nab the criminal and within the trendy. But in the year of 2008, first time used in India. But after in the 2018, that test is illegal, narco analysis test, or maybe lie detector. That is illegal. That is the Supreme Court proceeding. And next is polygraph test. The psychological stress, just the medical instrument or any live finding device cannot detect deception in and of the itself. Rather, such a medicine record reactions to a given state of affairs, most typically a queries and answer sessions. So about the medical instruments, check the drive back to the type. So that is the experimental tool. And very, very important about the fingerprints. About the fingerprints. I have some instruments for you. Am I visible or not? Am I visible or not?
Sir, you are visible.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah. So just like this is the fingerprint verification set in my hand. So see. So about the if your studies forensic psychology, we have some instruments like this. First is eyeglass. Second is the pad. This is thumb pad, ink pad. Next is the blow. This for air, and maybe any type of talcum powder. And one is magnifier glass, and this is the fingerprint pad. See this fingerprint pad. So, and after that, about the profiling, we have very simple for that. We have about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have only in the universe, we have only 7 patterns of persons in fingerprints. This is the basic. And about this is the format for the fingerprint from crime scene, for the crime scene investigations. So next is brain fingerprinting. So that is very difficult to the brain fingerprinting. Brain procedure is yet more innovative computer-based technology actually to spot the perpetrator of against the law with scientific accuracy by activity brain wave responses. Okay, And next is ballistic. Actually, we have various types of tests, like binocular identification dangerous gases. Actually, we have very short of time. And next is DNA phenotype. STR. What is the STR? STR, it's a test, short tandem bicycle repeat technology, actually. That is analysis test. And mitochondrial DNA analysis, Y chromosome analysis, and paternity. We have these types. We have different types of tests. I think we have very short of time. And you know about the forensic methods of distortion in the eye and eyewitness, eye and ear witness. Competence to stand trial and use psychological tests. So eyewitness bold mistakes 100 times, and they generally fail to spot and guilty, and that they generally incorrectly establish the innocent. Social scientists have studied the matter of bachelor errors and quite the 100 years. So you know about the trial and errors. Very interesting. So that is the reference book for this material. Actually, in 10th of January, I released this book in Bangkok in this year, written by myself and my colleague, Pooja Sharma. So it's a very interesting book, and that's Indian syllabus also. So if you have any questions, please mail me or any WhatsApp.
Sir, one time more, please say about the fingerprint pattern.
Okay. Slide. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Kit. Fingerprint kit.
No, sir. You say there are only 7 fingerprint patterns.
Okay. Just wait. Pattern. This. See?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, 7 types of fingerprints. 7 types. Notice 7 different 7 types. Okay.
Oh yes, sir. First, फिर फिंगरप्रिंट मैच होते नहीं एक दूसरे से.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं होते हैं फिंगरप्रिंट, बिकॉज पैटर्न अलग अलग होते हैं, और ये तो पैटर्न है और जो फिंगरप्रिंट्स होते हैं वो अलग अलग होते हैं. You know about the in India we have 137 crores persons or maybe population. Okay, so we have 137 types of fingerprints. 137 crores types of fingerprints. That is the pattern only.
Okay, sir.
That is the pattern, not the types.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening your words and about this much info, as your topic is about the crime scene investigation in the forensic psychology. We will keep all these tests of profiling in our mind, that is fingerprinting, ballistic fingerprinting, and DNA profiling, and there is a DNA analysis as well. Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us this much.